Hello, in this video we're gonna check all connection types on a Mi Soundbar. And here we can see that it has Bluetooth, so you can connect wirelessly with your phone, smartphone or TV using the Bluetooth. There's also aux in, line in, SPDIF or optical connection. And about the plugs, right here on the back you can get the optical, that's the optical right here. There's also the SPDIF right here, and the line connection right here, and the aux right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.